everyone. How are you all? And today we will take our phonics class. Which class? Phonics class. Are you all ready to it? Okay, so we start now. As you know that 26 letters are different sound. You all already know the sound about phonics? Okay. And today we will learn the A sound letters. Okay, A is the first vowel. A is the first vowel. As a vowel, A has two sounds. How many sounds? Two sounds. One sound, the first vowel sound is, the first is loud sound and original letter sound. But the second is the vowel sound and the phonic sound, set sound. The first sound is A and the phonic sound and the vowel set sound is A. So A sound is A. A sound, A sound. Today we will learn, today we will read some series of words. Series means consonant, vowel and consonant. One vowel must be in the middle of the word. Okay, I'm already. I want what is the A sound? Second tell me what is the A sound? A sound. With A and G. What makes the sound? Go and. Go and. Then. Then again for the A sound. A sound. A sound. A sound. Next for the A sound. A sound. A sound. A sound. Next again for the A sound. A sound. A sound. Very good. Then A sound. This sound. Okay, are you all getting the sound? Now we will write the speaking word and we will join here two letters. Which begins is the first letter is M. That is the button here. Okay, now here which begins is what is the first letter? Very good. Let's have to join the two letters and pronounce it and take a tip from there and join it. Very good. Pronounce it. Once again. Once again, beta. Man. Very good. All of you clap for Shakti. Someone of us recognize this picture? Clap. Okay, the first letter is what? K. Come in which letter? Very good. And you join here from this street. K. Join here. Go and take out from there. Okay, very good. Read aloud. Okay. Say phonics. K. Very good. Speak loudly. K. Welcome. Then the turn of Kasif. Where is Kasif? Come here. Very good. Kasif, come. And look. Which picture is this? Tell me. Okay, back. And the first letter is back is what? B. Then which letters we will join here? Come and take out. Yes. Come and join here. And speak loudly. Pronounce the word. Very good. Once again. Very good. All of you clap for Kasif. Take the turn of Subhasri. Subhasri, you come here. Very good. Subhasri, go on. Look this picture. First recognize this picture. It's a cha. Very good. And which letter is a cha? Then which letters you have to take here? Very good. Star.